Okay, this is the castle, I guess. And still 2 pigs. Wow. You can't blame me. It's not my fault. It's Mario, GP, and Moore's fault. Don't blame him, Helmet. I go first. Huh. Oh, yeah. Oh. You suck, Raybird. Oh, it's my turn. Huh. At least I knocked that one pin. It's my turn. Huh. Even the big one sucked. I'm gonna go. Her. Her. No, you hurt my feelings. I'm sorry, sirs, but thank you, Whitebird. Is this sarcasm? No, really, thank you. You're welcome, I guess. There. I need to go next. Oh. My turn! Oh! Haha. Oh no, Bluebird! You're right! No, I'm not okay. Send me to the hospital. Oh! Noise! I'll finish him off. Bluebird, wake up! Yeah, wake up! Do it for me! Sorry, guys, I can't get up. You'll make it, bro. I had something to cheer you up. Sorry, Orange. You woke up. Good job. Alright, what happened? So, I was finding the pigs, and then I suddenly heard my beak when I knocked into that big block. Oh, that's not good. So, does this mean your beak is broken? Yeah, pretty much. No worries, I'll give you a band-aid. Thanks, Whitebird. It's no problem. You have to wait like 2 weeks to take it off. And then you'll be back in action, bro. But you won't be fighting the pigs for like a couple of weeks. A couple of weeks later. Okay, Bluebird, we'll be right back. We're gonna go fight those pigs, and then we'll come back. Alright? Come on, guys. Feel better, buddy? Remember what I said. It takes a couple of weeks. Yeah. So, if I were you, I wouldn't get hurt. No worries. He'll be fine. Okay, I guess we gotta fight the pigs for that Bluebird. I wonder how the rovers are doing. They must be working hard. But no worries. I trust them. They're my friends. A couple of minutes later. Nice job, guys. Let's go back home. Hey, Blue, how you doing? I'm doing fine. My beak is kind of getting better. That's what I like to hear. Guys, excuse me. I have to take a poop. Tired of that guy. A couple more weeks later. Bluebird? Yeah? It's time to take the thing off. Yay! Nice to have you back, Blue. Thanks, guys. Have a good family. Oh, come here. Yeah, come here. Yeah.